Hey guys, how's it going? How to shift lock on Roblox Mobile. So if you want to shift lock on Roblox Mobile in a desktop, what you're gonna do to shift lock, you first open your game and then head to the settings menu, and then you can do this by pressing the ESC key on the keyboard. Alternatively, you're gonna click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of the screen, and once you've opened the menu, click on the settings button on the top of the UI, and then basically turn on the shift lock right here section. Right, if you want to do it on mobile, just go ahead and open up the game. At the moment there isn't a shift lock option for mobile, but there is an alternative way to lock the camera when in a third person mode. To do this, open the game and then head to the settings menu, and then it can be done by tapping the Roblox icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then just select the settings and then just follow the camera mode and change it. Once the follow mode is selected, you've enabled the shift lock, or at least the closest alternative to it on Roblox for your mobile. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.